Hello friends. Today I am going to do the current feelings, very small reading of your partner's feeling right now. Seven of Cups, Nine of Cups, and Six of Swords card is coming. The Tower card is coming in your person's card. So maybe some Tower moment is going on in your personal life, or their awakening has started, or something like that. Because whenever awakening is about to start, a Tower moment definitely comes in the person's life. Majorly, it comes in the life of divine masculine. Actually, if your person is a runner, he's running away, he or she is running away from you from a very long time, and a tower is definitely seen in their life. Actually, maybe some problem, financial problems it can be. If your person has left you because of financial problem, if your person has left you because of their family or something like that, so something in the family it's going to happen. But tower moment is definitely there in your person's life. Seven of cups, there are a lot of options a person was considering in the past, because this card is coming in the past. So he or she was definitely considering lot of options in the past. They were looking at various people. Actually, they were running away from you continuously, but they tried all the options, you can say that. Even they tried lot of options, but they could not get that happiness that this cup was giving you, giving them, sorry. So this cup means it is you who was giving them lot of happiness. They were looking at different cups also, but those all those cups did not give your person that much happiness. So now they are feeling very regretful, you can say, that why they even considered those options. But it was very important for them to go towards that option. They wanted to, God wanted to realize them that what happiness you are missing if this person is not in your life. Even you can get another partner who is financially stable, who is good looking also, and who is of your caste also. Anything it's possible, whatever, because whatever reason they left you, that reason, that thing they were getting in another person, but that happiness they were not getting. This was very important for them to realize. A Nine of Cups card is coming, so your person's wish fulfillment, now they know what is their wish fulfillment. They know that they have moved away from their wish fulfillment by leaving you alone in the cold and not bothering about you, mainly because of their ego or something like that. Because this person there was a little kind of flamboyant, they were running away from this relation. They never have experienced this kind of love in their life. Because of that, they were running away from their wish fulfillment. But now the God has made them realize, or divine has made them realize, that what is the meaning of true love. Got me? So this person, Four of Pentacle card is coming. Let's see, this person is trying to open this box, but in a hidden way. Secretly they are trying to open this box. If they even they try to approach you, they will try to approach you secretly at present. I feel that way, because this person doesn't want everyone to know that they are missing you right now, or they actually think only about you only. They want to keep this secret, and they are definitely thinking about approaching you secretly. Four of Pentacles definitely is a card that person doesn't want to leave you at all. It's a card of stubbornness also. So, but this Uranus card is coming. Some negative energy is also there on you and your person, you can say. Because of that, this all this separation came, and all these blockages have appeared in your life. Because unless and until these blockages are cleared, this negative energy will automatically go. Once you clear your blockages from your inside, your chakras are activated, all this negative energy will automatically vanish from your life. So you need to work on yourself, and your person also need to work on themselves. They have to both need to change yourself, the way you were before. Now experience after 1 or 2 years how you all are. If you have changed a lot, definitely your union is very close, you can say that. The Six of Cups card is coming. I'm again telling your person is feeling very nostalgic, so it's quite possible that your person may approach you secretly. This is the kind of energy I'm getting from your person. Actually, whomever you're thinking right now, they are trying to approach you, or they want to contact you. Six of Cup card is a card of past lover coming back, reconciliation card, you can even say that also. The goddess of the moon, your person is definitely considering you in a very high regard, you can say, very high regards. They have a lot of respect for you now. Cornucopia, they know that you are their abundance, their love abundance, their happiness. Now this person is realizing, after drinking so much of love from other cups, or after going through the other options, now they have realized that you are their happiness, you are their abundance. Without that you can't stay. Appreciation, they appreciate you a lot. They appreciate your perseverance, they appreciate your patience. All these things is also making them realize your love for you a lot, you can say. Women holding a heart, they even know that how every time you were so open about your feelings, how sure you were every time about them, and why they were so unsure about them, about you. Even now they are thinking that way, now they are coming in their heart space also, you can say that. So all this thing is happening for your good. Whenever something good is about to happen, before that a person has to go through lot of hardships, they have to go through lot of tests. So you can say that it was their testing period, it was a learning experience period, and it was also a learning experience for you also. So new beginning card is coming. So a cycle of new beginning is definitely going to start in this coming new year time. You can say the new beginning is approaching for both of you, or your higher self. Your person is connecting to their higher self. You can say their person is now getting connected in their 5D. They are connecting with you in the 5D. Even you can say that. And even you are connected to your person in the 5D. You all know that 5D is the when your consciousness raises and you start doing chakra meditation, your consciousness raises from 3D to 5D. So that's happening with your person also. Family, friends and guides, if suppose family and friends are not supporting them because of their status issue or anything that is bothering this relationship, then they are not going to listen to any one of them, because their higher self is guiding them right now. And even if their higher self, their parents and family are not listening, even their higher self is going to guide their family and friends. Got me? Even their mind will change overnight, or you can say slowly their mind can also change for in some case, because the status quo, the difference in their financial position, or your caste issue, something like that was bothering their family a lot. So because of that, this relationship was not moving ahead, or the third party relation, maybe something related to status, I can say. Because of that, your person was running away from you, but now their higher self is guiding them what is important in their life. Hope friends you got some guidance and what your person is thinking right now. Please like and subscribe.